That baby.
The Christmas tree. You know what Christmas tree is? Oh, is that Kumari Amor? Oh yes, let's go and see them. Yeah. Hi Kumari. Hi, how are you, baby? She looks like you. Oh, thank you. Child. How are you, Kumari? We're just fine. Fine. Oh, she talks. Yeah, hey, Kumari, do you remember how she learned that word? Yes, Later, baby, wait. Okay. Let's put this down because we need to eat breakfast and where's the buckle? Oh, there it is. Let's buckle you up. Hands. Yeah. And there. Now you're ready to eat breakfast. Oh, Danny, she talks. She talks.
Really?
Oh, that's good. Yes, yes. At that time, I was so surprised. Oh, so that's how she learned. Yes. Congrats, Mari. Thank you, Kumari. See you soon, Mari. We must. We'll have to go. Bye. Bye. Take care. Oh, are you okay?
Let's go now.